love those moments when a student suddenly gets it, when understanding clicks. But with online collaboration tools, something often gets in the way of that moment. The moment when the penny is supposed to drop. And very often it's not the learning task that's the problem. It's the friction, the login, the complicated tools, and too many steps before students can actually share their thinking. So I started using something much simpler, and it works inside Moodle or any LMS where you can edit HTML. This is called Penny Drop. Students submit an image and a short explanation, and their work becomes part of a shared online poster instantly. It's perfect for reflections, quick research tasks, exit tickets, or collaborative brainstorming. Creating a penny drop activity is so quick, I honestly don't think I'll even get 5 minutes video out of this. A penny is simply an image stored on Google Drive and a short piece of text pasted into the submission form. That's it. To create a penny drop project for your Moodle course or any page where you can edit HTML, here's what you do. Go to the link in the description and create a free minimalist account. You'll just confirm your email and you can later request that all your data be deleted if you wish. Once you log in, create your first penny drop project and give it a name. As the teacher, you can submit pennies yourself using images from your own Google Drive and a short description. When you submit your own penny, you will get an email to approve it. When students submit, they do exactly the same, and you also get emails to approve them. Because images remain in each person's own Google Drive, they can remove them at any time. That keeps ownership and control with the person who uploaded the image. Every submission also comes to you via email for approval before it appears in the poster. And if you ever need to remove submissions, you can delete any or all of them right here with a single click. To use your penny drop project, simply copy this iframe code and paste it anywhere that you can edit HTML, in Moodle, on a website, or in a page. If your LMS does not allow iframes, just remove everything except the URL and use it as a normal link instead. You can try Penny Drop project yourself by following the link in the description. It takes you to a free mini Moodle course where I explain several classroom uses in more detail. If you've been looking for a low friction way to make student thinking visible online, this may be worth trying. Thank you for watching.